Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the favorite projects plugin from RedmineUP on Bitnami Redmine virtual image. In this example, I'm going to use the VirtualBox. However, you are free to use any other software for virtualization that you like. Alright, so we see that I have Redmine 5.1.1 stable here, which is the latest current version of Redmine, and I started via the start button here. Okay, now we just wait a couple of seconds for Redmine to start. Okay, we log in via these credentials here. And it is saying that Redmine is located onto this address. If you'd like to double check this situation, you can write command hostname I. So we confirm that it is the same address. Now let's go and see what is happening there. So we just wait a couple of seconds because Redmine needs some time to start. Okay, so we are in. When we go to information and administration, we see that latest Redmine is installed indeed, the Redmine 5.1.1, and at the end of this video there is going to be the Redmine favorite projects plugin installed here. Okay, so we return back to our command line, and now we change the directory to Bitnami Redmine plugins. We double check and see that the installed plugins are here. Now I'm going to download the favorite projects. Actually, I'm going to use the wget. However, you are free to use any other way. For example, we could go to machine here and then click on file manager, and on the left we will see the host machine or your computer. And if you log in into your guest machine or the virtual machine in Redmine, you can just copy paste and transfer the files via these arrows here. Or you can use any other ways of sharing that you like. But in our case, we're going to just use the wget. Okay, so I just copy pasted the link of the favorite projects plugin and click now enter. So we see that it is downloaded. Now we unzip it with the unzip command. Okay, and now we remove the zip file because we are no longer needing it. Okay, and now we see only the folder that we have just unzipped. Now we return back to the previous folder and run bundle install. This is going to install all the needed gems for the favorite projects plugin. And the next command is to run the migrations. It is going to be done via the command bundle exec rake Redmine plugins name, and here we insert the name of our plugin, which is Redmine favorite projects. Okay, and the environment, that is Railsense production. So we wait a couple of seconds and we see that the migrations of the tables into the database is now successfully processed and done. And the very last thing that you have to do is to just restart everything via the command sudo opt bitnami control script restart. Processes are now being restarted, and of course you can use another way. You can just shut off your virtual machine, power off, and power up again, and it is going to do the same. Now we return back to our Redmine and just refresh the page to see what is going to happen. We wait a couple of seconds because Redmine is being restarted and it needs some time to start again. Okay, we see that the favorite projects plugin has just appeared here, and we have successfully done our job. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like to see other videos and articles from RedmineUP, you're free to check them anytime. Bye bye for now.